Dun, 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 dun. Yung mga ganong kind of movies, syempre superheroes, more on action eh. You don't always get to appreciate, yung background music. Pero when they were asking me how my experience was, sabi ko, it felt like, yung first time that I watched yung endgame scene, tapos nakita ko siya ulit during nung event. So parang sabi ko, I felt like it was the first time that I've watched it. All the feels, all the vibe, lahat, everything. Kasi imaginein mo yung end scene, yung portal, yung naglabasan na yung mga superheroes, si Doctor Strange, dumating na, tapos yung mga lahat na nawala during the time ni Thanos when he snapped his fingers. Imaginein mo kung walang music yun. Diba? So for me, yun yung emotional core ng movie. Kahit yung kahit yung theme ng Avengers, 'di ba? Pag narinig mo siya, 'di ba mafe-feel mo yung yung parang nandun ka dun sa action, ramdam na ramdam mo yung moment, yung gustong iparamdam sa nung scene na yun.
Exactly.